Hi everyone. Today we are going to see what is comment in Python. What is a comment in Python? So if I update the heading section also, Python comment. So the comment is a text in the code, in any code. Generally, the programmatical languages ignore them. So the proper definition for comment is a comment is a text in the code that specifically in our Python ignores when running the program. For example, if we see the examples, hash, this is a command. So the Python ignores, it didn't provide any result. So if I write print of hello, so the Python executed line by line and find this line and found out that it is a comment because of the hash symbol, pound symbol. Then it ignored and finally printed the inbuilt function command. So Python runs only the print statement when the command is ignored. What are the use cases of command? The uses of command is explain what the code does. Second important use case is make code easier to understand. If someone is reading apart from you, this command will help them. And so this is a repeated point. Okay, leave notes for other programmers. Okay, so it has three uses, or these uses are mostly explain the what the code does, make code easier to understand, leave notes for other programmers. Then we will see the different types of command in Python. So types of commands in Python. First one is single line command. The second one inline commands. Third one is multi-line commands. So there are totally three types of commands are there in Python. So the first one is single line, inline, and multi-line. So how to declare them? So to declare single line command, use hash or pound symbol. Simple to declare. To declare. For example, this is a single line command. Command let's print welcome to Python command session. So if I print it, so it will only print the print function. It will ignore the single line command. And what is inline command? Inline command is more like same as single line command, but where we write. So the we write after the specific function or code. So this is called inline command. For example, every specific code after, if we write same hash or found to declare a command, so it will be considered as a inline command. For example, let's take the same example here. This is inline command. So this is a inline command. So the command which writes after the specific code. So the here the specific line of code is print welcome to Python command section for inline command. So this is called the inline command. If I execute, as we discussed, it will ignore this command and print what is required. And the third one is that multi-line command. Third one is multi-line command, and generally in Python does not have multi-line command, special multi-line command, but we can use them by writing triple quotes. Let's see what is multi-line command in the code section. Let's write, I am writing a code. So this is called a single line command. If I write it continuously on the second line or more than 2 lines, so let's write, this program demonstrates multi-line commands. So the way I wrote in 3 lines separately. This is called multi-line command. So by default, Python does not have any special multi-line command, but we can include by using triple quote. For example, triple single quote or double quote. Okay, let me try single quote first. Okay, the same message I'm copying, and let me remove this. Okay, so if I print demonstration of multi-line command, so it successfully worked. So we can write multi-line command by using triple single quote. So let me use same wordings for triple double quotes. Okay, print demonstration of multi-line command by triple double quotes. Okay, yeah, triple double quotes. So it successfully worked. The command is ignored and the print function printed the output. Let's see one more example. I am calculating arithmetic operation. Let's have a variable, the number 1 equal to int of input of, okay, get value from the user. And so this is inline command, and this the I'm writing now on the top, it's a single line command. Calculate the sum of two given numbers. Number 2 equal to int of input of, okay, let's print number 1 plus number 2. So this will perform a addition operation and will provide the result of the sum of the two given numbers. This is single line command. The command which is right after the specific code or specific line of code is called inline command, and the multi-line command, this is multi-line command. Okay, so it's showing some error. The error is indentation error. It raises an indentation error because there is a space. Python don't allow unnecessary indentation until unless it's required. So to resolve the indentation error, simply see where the error occurs and remove the spaces. Okay, so again here, so the error resolved after removing the spaces. Let's give number 25 for the number 1 and same 25 for the number 2. So the total result is, after the calculation, it is 50. So why commands are important we already saw. So let's have a look at again. Understand code later, work with the different teams so the other teams can read our code, our command too, and they will understand what the code about, and the debugging purpose. So whenever any issue error occurs on the written program, the in the later part of time while debugging, okay, this line actually written for this, so this specific command will convey the point why the line is actually. So why commands are important? So if I summarize why commands are important: understand code later, work with the teams, and debug programs. And what is command? Command is a text in the code that Python ignores when running the program, and it has three types: single line commands, inline commands, multi-line commands. To declare a single line commands, use hash or pound symbol. For the same single line command, if it is written on the specific line of code, that is called inline command, so declaration is same. For the multi-line commands, there is no specific special multi-line command in Python, but we can use triple single quote or triple double quote. Thank you very much. So I will see you in next video. Follow me for more such videos.